Today's news focus, 25,000 Sarawak students will receive good news next month. Budget 2025, Sarawak thanks federal government for increased allocation. Sarawak Premier shares latest developments and economic directions at LBAS 2024. Good evening. About 25,000 Sarawakian students who are continuing their studies at the university and college level across the country will receive good news that will be announced next month. The Premier of Sarawak, Dato' Patinggi Tan Sri Dr. Abang Abdul Rahman Zohari Tun Dato' Abang Openg, said the two incentives will be announced in the presentation of the state budget involving laptop vouchers and pocket money for students to cover their basic necessities every month. According to him, the Sarawak government intends to provide this incentive, but it is still in the preliminary study because it requires a large expenditure.
Saya akan umumkan bulan baru dalam bajet. Ia membabitkan dalam estimate saya 25,000 student throughout Malaysia. 20 hari bulan 11 kita tunggu. Ya, berita baik kepada kita semua.
He said this during the Sarawak Agenda Bersama Sarawak Premier Town Hall session in conjunction with the Lan Berambeh Anak Sarawak LBAS 2024 program at the Malaysia International Trade and Exhibition Centre, MITEC, Kuala Lumpur on Saturday. The Premier of Sarawak added that the condition for 8 recipients must be natives of Sarawak.
Dan mesti ada IC care. Kalau ada IC care, sorry.
The session, which was conducted by the Deputy Minister of Health, Dato' Lukanisman Awang Sauni, as the moderator, also included a question and answer session between the students and the Premier of Sarawak. Meanwhile, the Sarawak Premier welcomed the allocation to Sarawak through Budget 2025 presented by Prime Minister Dato' Sri Anwar Ibrahim on Friday. He also expressed his appreciation to the federal government following the increase in allocations channeled to this region. Dato' Patinggi Abang Zohari said although the allocation is less than in Sabah, it can still be used to develop important sectors in Sarawak.
Mengucap terima kasih kepada Kerajaan Persekutuan yang telah menambahkan peruntukan khas daripada 300 juta ke 600 juta yang pertama. Walaupun kurang daripada Sabah tak apa, saya rasa bahawa setidaknya kita ada bantuan daripada Kerajaan Persekutuan dalam kita membangunkan sektor-sektor yang penting di Sarawak.
The Premier of Sarawak added that there was an increase in education allocations as well as an allocation of 5.9 billion ringgit specifically for Sarawak and Sabah. For this record, Budget 2025 has recorded the largest allocation in history with a total of 421 billion ringgit. Also, during LBAS 2024, Dato' Patinggi Abang Zohari shared about the latest developments on Sarawak's economic direction to Sarawakians participating in the Lan Berambeh Anak Sarawak LBAS 2024 program. According to him, various development initiatives are being implemented by the Sarawak government based on new methods to improve the welfare of its people, especially those who are abroad. Among what was shared was the effort to increase the production of paddy and rice in order to achieve food security, in addition to emphasizing the use of renewable energy and the green economy in the face of climate change issues.
Sarawak telah berbincang mengenai dengan food security, terjaminan makanan, termasuklah untuk kita menambahkan pengeluaran padi dan beras supaya Sarawak tidak bergantung import beras tapi ada beras Sarawak sendiri untuk anak-anak Sarawak. walaupun pelaburannya tinggi dari sudut tali air, irrigation, alhamdulillah nampaknya Sarawak mungkin mempunyai dana yang cukup untuk kita membantu petani kita di luar bandar. Kita akan terus membangunkan infrastruktur, termasuklah jalan raya yang baru, Miri, Marudi hingga ke Long Terawan dekat Mulu. Ini adalah membuka kawasan luar bandar. Termasuklah juga Lawas dan Limbang. Maka kita akan membangunkan infrastruktur yang ada di seluruh Sarawak ini. Alhamdulillah. Adik kakak anak Sarawak, kita telah mengambil alih Bintulu Port yang sekarang ini dikuasai oleh Kerajaan Sarawak. Terima kasih kepada Kerajaan Persekutuan yang menyerahkan Bintulu Port kepada Sarawak.
He said this at the 15th edition of the Anak Sarawak Dinner in conjunction with LBAS 2024 theme Empowering Sarawak's New Economy at MyTech on Saturday. The ceremony was graced by the Sarawak Governor, Tun Pehin Sri Dr. Wan Junaidi Tuanku Jaafar and his wife, Tuan Puan Datuk Patinggi Fauziah Muhammad Sanusi. In the same speech, Datuk Patinggi Abang Zohari also emphasized in Sarawak's success in taking over the management of Bintulu Port, the importance of having its own aircraft to further strengthen Sarawak's position in the aviation sector and expand economic opportunities.
Kalau dah port, bila lagi mula syarikat belon? InsyaAllah doa je. Mungkin kita boleh selesaikan ujung tahun tu dalam 2 bulan. Mudah-mudahan tahun baru ada belon kita pun. Anak Sarawak boleh kuang kuit dari Sarawak ke Semenanjung. Dan juga membawa pelancong ke Sarawak. Maklumlah, kita dah ada 2 tapak UNESCO, iaitu Mulu dan sekarang Niah menjadi tapak UNESCO.
Awareness of the dangers of cervical cancer and breast cancer, especially among women, needs to be increased. Deputy Minister in the Sarawak's Premier Department, Law MS63 and Federal State Relations, Datuk Sharifah Hasidah Said Aman Ghazali said this is because both cancers are the main killers among women. Thus, she said the Pink Aerobics program in conjunction with Breast Cancer Awareness Month organized by the Pink Ribbon Sports Group is important to increase public awareness.
Kita memang mengharapkan agar program anjuran Pink Ribbon Support Group ini dapat sedikit sebanyak memberi awareness kepada ramai wanita-wanita di luar sana untuk mengambil tindakan dan membuat pemeriksaan terhadap kesihatan mereka, terutama memeriksa payudara dan membuat pemeriksaan cervix cancer. Ini antara 2 kanser yang paling utama yang membunuh wanita. Jadi kita mengharapkan dengan adanya Pink Ribbon Support Program seperti berkolaborasi dengan DBKU sempena bulan kanser ini, maka kita mengharapkan lebih ramai lagi wanita di sana sedar bahawa pentingnya pengesanan awal penyakit-penyakit seperti kanser payudara dan juga cervix cancer juga.
She said this to the media after the Pink Aerobics program in conjunction with Breast Cancer Awareness Month and Car-Free Morning at Padang Merdeka, Kuching on Sunday. Meanwhile, the president of the Pink Ribbon Support Group Sarawak, Suryani Rapaidi, in her speech emphasized the importance of solidarity with patients and those who have recovered breast cancer. She said these initiatives aim to raise awareness of the importance of early screening as well as stressing that early detection can save lives. The 3R Smart Community Station was launched today as part of ongoing environmental conservation efforts to encourage local participation in reducing waste by promoting the principles of reuse, reduction, and recycling 3R. During the official launch of the program, Sarawak Deputy Minister of Utility and Telecommunication and Minister responsible for Kuching North City Hall, DBKU, Datuk Dr. Abdul Rahman Junaidi, said the initiative is designed to help residents manage waste disposal efficiently.
Keunikan program ini kerana disediakan tempat untuk pembuangan sampah yang berbentuk menggunakan aplikasi versi 3R DBKU, di mana sesiapa yang ingin nak membuang untuk membuang sampah akan disediakan tempat khas sama ada dalam bentuk kertas, plastik ataupun aluminium, tin dan sebagainya. Ini adalah usaha untuk memastikan bahawa kita sama-sama dapat menjaga alam sekitar kita supaya bersih, terutamanya di kawasan Kuching Utara.
He said this when met by reporters after the official launch of the 3R Smart Community Station at Satok Sports Complex. The 3R station, equipped with solar-powered lights, rainwater harvesting systems, weighing scales, and recycling bins, is strategically placed across 14 locations in Kuching North, including schools and residential areas such as SK Muara Tebas, Sepakat Jaya Demak Laut, Surau Darul Hijrah, SMK Tunas, SK Rakyat Tupong, Tunku Village Community Hall, and SMK Sungai Mau. DBKU Mayor Hilmi Othman revealed plans to extend the initiative to industrial areas.
And we are looking forward to get the industry to be involved. So we are going to introduce a similar concept towards the industrial area, and particularly to Demak Laut Industrial Estate and also Sejingkat Estate. So that we can have a proper management of the waste.
And that's the English edition with me, Nicholas Zechariah Boni. More news can be found in our official portal, ukas.sarawak.gov.my, and social media platforms including Facebook and YouTube. We end the UKAS Bulletin with displays from the 15th edition of Anak Sarawak Dinner in conjunction with LBAS 2024 at the MyTech Kuala Lumpur on Saturday. #Saluran Informasi Rakyat. Have a good night.